Greetings, engineers. Brown here from Grey Bee Gaming, and this is episode 26 of Material Energy Natural Capital. So, in between episodes, guys, I have pretty much finished my armor. Got a jetpack, got my energy shield, sprint assist. I also fixed my field of view problem. You can see right now I am moving pretty fast and not getting that weird field of view thing, thankfully. It was just a config change, to fix it up. So, pretty nice. So, today, what do I want to do? Well, let's look at our book here. There's something that I want. I would like another key, but we're going to have to work for it, guys. We're going to have to work for it a lot. I would like this key right here. Key piece number 5. To do that, I need to do this, which means I need to do 6 times ore processing, which is a centrifuge. Which means I need to get probably an industrial centrifuge, I think. I'm not really sure if it's just standard centrifuge or whatever. Let's see about dirty copper. Dirty copper. Recipe. Oh, so it's just a macerator. Oh, you just macerate. Oh. You macerate a copper clump. And how do you get a copper clump? By putting copper ore in a purification chamber. Okay, so what do I need to make a purification chamber? Oh, not. Come on. Purify. That's probably you, right? Mechanism? Okay, that seems expensive. Enriched alloy is pretty easy to do. These guys are probably, yeah, assembly machine, silicon. Oh, wow, centrifuge. Okay, we're a bit far from that one. What do I need? How about these? Oh, these are pretty easy. Assembly table and a basic control circuit, which is our little inscriber machine that we have over there that made these. So that would be possible. I think we have 2 inscribers. How many do we have? Probably need to automate these one day. But I have some silicon, some circuits. So I can probably make these pretty decently. We'll see about that. What else do I need in here? Osmium, that's easy. Enrichment chamber. Oh, and this is where we're having some fun. So all the basic mechanism machines that are usually, pretty easy to do. Let's look at this recipe for a steel casing here. Yeah. So assembly machine, 12 tungsten plate, and 4 advanced machine blocks. What do I need for an advanced machine blocks? Look at all of this stuff, guys. This is ludicrous. This is crazy. This is hours and hours of work. So let's start with the basics. Really, the basic setup. We need some basic IC2 machines, okay? But if we want to do a little cheaty way of doing IC2, we need to start with mechanism. Mechanism is the gateway, and calculator, as we'll see, is the gateway to some easier IC2. And we'll see why. My goal would really be to get a basic energy cube, but what does that need? Again, that humongous steel casing, which is just ludicrous. I think this one's pretty easy to make though. Tungsten, hot, in a vacuum freezer. I don't even want to know when I need to make a vacuum freezer here. Yeah, that is probably industrial grinder. That's going to be crazy. But let's start with really the basic stuff. I want some power cables. I want these here universal cables. There's a lot of them. You can see right now it's it's kilojoules. It's not RF, but it does RF, EU, and joules. So it does all three of them, and it does the conversion automatically. And what's more is these guys do not blow up machines. So if you go inside of industrial craft, actually, let's just start making these and I'll explain how it works. So a basic universal cable is very easy to do. 6 pieces of steel and 3 redstone. We do have 1,000 steel, so I think we're pretty good. So I'll request 1 for now. And I have some redstone over here. Let's get all our tools here. I'll need my crafting. Where are you, Mr. Crafter? Crafting logistics pipe. Perfect. I'll need you. And I'll need my piece of steel, please. Thank you very much. So as you can see here, guys, I am on the last row up here. I made a couple of things for other stuff to prepare in advance. There's just some stuff that is just too grindy. I don't want to show you guys all of this stuff. But the interesting stuff like this, I will definitely show. So, very basic universal cable. Import. Perfect. And you know what? I'll get started on a couple here. Let's call a stack right away. Okay, so these are really basic. I want something better. I want better stuff. So to make the advanced universal cable, guys, if you want to calculate, joules to RF, it is really easy. It's just times 10. So 3.2 kilojoules is 300. 3.2. Huh. Now I'm confused. I thought these were like 320 RF. Well, I'm pretty sure it's 320 RF because the biggest one here, yeah, we'll see, but I'm pretty sure this one is 320. We'll see. So to make the advanced universal cable, I need 8 basic universal cables and an enriched alloy. How do I get an enriched alloy? It's actually pretty easy. Do I have any? I'll bring you. And do I have any satellite? I do not have any satellite. Satellite logistics pipe. And I'll call 6 up because I'll definitely need these. So I already made 1 enriched alloy here. So I'm going to set it up right away. Whoa, little derp here. Just set this up right away here. You and all of you. So there we go. So how do you make this enriched alloy? It's actually pretty easy. It's just a metallurgic infuser. You put 1 piece of redstone, 1 iron ingot, and you get 1 piece of enriched alloy. So very, very easy to make. Let's look at this machine here. This is a metallurgic infuser. I'll show you the recipe to make it. Let's go over here. Metallurgic infuser. Where are you? You should be right here. So, 1 osmium ingot, a couple of furnaces. It's pretty basic stuff. Actually, you know what we should do, guys? We should probably set it up to craft a couple of these. I have some osmium right here. I have some furnaces right here. And what else did I need? Just redstone and iron that I already have. So perfect. I'll grab these satellite logistics pipes. We will definitely need them. And these basic cables, I actually just need 1, but that's okay. So we're going to go over here. And we're going to be making maybe about a dozen of these, maybe more. We'll see. But for today, we only want a couple of them. We're going to put you in the middle. You had 2 guys on the side. And then you had... Oh, I had furnaces, of course. I do like step assist. That's one thing I miss from 1.10. 1.10 had automatically step assist, but at least now, thanks to my powerful armor, I have step assist too. Perfect, guys. So what we'll do is we'll call up infuser. Oops. Metallurgic infusers. We'll call up maybe 8. That should be enough for now. I'll be doing a lot of this stuff in between episodes. You know, repetition. I don't like doing the same stuff over and over again. It's just boring for you guys. Okay, so how are we going to set this up? First of all, I need to send power to this guy. We're going to do our basic... Oh, what are you? No, sapphire. I don't care about that. Go over here. Grab our power. Because these will take... I'm pretty sure. It's full, so I can't know, but they should take Buildcraft power. You know what? Let's make one more just to see if they really do take. So I just take one piece here. So I have 10 redstone and 1 iron ingot. And yeah, so it's keeping its power up. So perfect. Buildcraft power works. Great. So let's just put this here. Now, I need my cabling to go a little bit further. Come here. And I'll put this guy here. I know it should be here, right? Yeah, because you want it to go like this. Perfect. So how does it work? Let's look at our little system here. So these are color-coded. They're color-coded because they do something. So, for example, here I have my output, infuse, purple, input, and energy, dark green. So this is how all of this stuff works, and I can change it like this pretty easily, okay? So I believe, I'm not really sure here. Let's get my crafting. I believe I can just tell it to... let's go here, and let's say, you know, the top is going to be my infuse. So infuse is this purple stuff here. I'm going to put a satellite on top. Put this here. And I'm going to tell my satellite, you're satellite number 4. I'm going to tell this guy, you know what? If you put this here and you put this in satellite number 4, you're going to get one of these. So you see here, it is not connecting. It is not connecting because I haven't set it up, the front side, as an input. Is that why? Yeah, now that should work, right? Oh, this is the front side. Come on, which side's the front here? The front side? I might need to just re-put it down here. Probably doesn't see it. Crafting. Oh yeah, I just need to put it down again after removing it. Wow, this pick is really good. Okay. Put this here. Now, as I was saying, you're going to get this if you put in this and this. Yeah, I'm not sure if I need to set up the output. We'll see, we'll see. So let's try it out. Let's go here and say, I would like 1 enriched alloy, please. Is this going to work? Ooh, I hope they fall in the right spot. Where these go? Okay, there we go. So we got our ingot in the right spot. Where's our redstone? Is still empty? Oh, because I didn't tell him it was on number 4. Oh, that's my bad. So I don't think it's gonna work. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? I can put in here for now and see if it's gonna output. Okay, so that worked. Let's try it again. Enriched alloy. Come on, you can do it. Oh, that's way too much. What are you doing? Oh, I did 63. I'm so silly. Okay, well I got a lot of redstone now that I need to pass that redstone. So I'm just gonna make more for now, because I do have some special plans with this that we'll be using a little bit later. So perfect. We have step 1 of creating enriched alloy. And that way we'll be able to have our improved cables. If I go here, I can go advanced universal cable, and I'll request I'll request a stack again. So this one's going to be a lot faster. Now, from these, I want an even better one. I want the elite and eventually the ultimate. So if I want the elite, what do I need? I need these cables again, plus a reinforced alloy. Reinforced alloy is a diamond, and not just any kind of diamond. Diamond dust that goes into this and gives us the reinforced alloy. So I just can't put a standard diamond here. I need to dust it first. So I'm going to need some macerators to start doing this. I'm not going to use my big crusher over there for that. I want to start really the standard crushing stuff. So if I go here, yeah, a macerator is going to give me diamond dust without any. Of course, my crusher is going to do it, but I don't want to bother the guy. He's doing a good enough job as it is. So we're going to set up our macerator right now. How are we going to do this? Because we need to have decent power. And the problem with our with industrial craft is if you give a macerator, I do have one that I made from before. So we'll start with 1 for now. But we're going to see the recipe for that because, of course, we want to automate a macerator because we're going to need a couple of them. Yeah, we're definitely going to need more than a couple of them, actually. So we'll do that. Put all of this. Oh, no, I needed these cables. No. I'm sorry. That's my mistake. I thought you were somebody else. So macerator is actually pretty easy to make. Electronic circuit, iron gear, battery, plate, wire, machine block. We've done all of this before, and we've put it in our assembly table. I'm not sure how automated we can do it, though. I'll have to see about that. I'll probably put a crafting, just like this here, crafting logistics pipe, and I'll make several assembly tables in a row, with each with a recipe under them. So simply like that, so it pops up like this. I made an integration table. That's for later on. We're not going to look at it for now. But I believe this is going to work. I will probably need to move all of this because I need this space over here. So I'll move it here so that I have more space to do all of my stuff. But you know what? For now, we're going to be doing this pretty much by hand right now. But I need to set up my macerator. Industrial craft, if you put in too much power into it, it's going to blow up. So these macerators actually use, well, all industrial craft stuff, actually. I do industrial craft. So you can put in them transformer upgrade that increases the power that they can accept. Okay? And these are ridiculously complicated for now. So we're not going to get into this. Definitely not. Well, they're not, well, actually, they're not that complicated because gold, you know, that's just rubber, and that's pretty much it. And we have rubber, we have gold, we have all of this. We have the stuff to make this. But for now, I don't want to bother with power. I want to say, you know what? I'm going to give you whatever power I have, and you're going to take it like a man, and you're not going to complain. How do you do this? Well, you're going to be cheating a little bit. If I use my Buildcraft pipes here, these are 20k RF per tick, I believe. And they're just going to blow up the machine. The machine cannot take more than, I think it's 32 EU per tick. So, yeah, you need to change it. What am I going to use? I'm going to use a little cheaty thing here called an advanced power cube. I have 4 advanced power cubes right now that I'll use. And I'm so happy I made these before the changes, because if you look at the recipe now, you now need an energy crystal. Before, it was just these redstone with the power cube. But now you need an energy crystal. And these take an assembly table. They take 4 of these, which is, 10 million RF each. And it's just like a lot of stuff. So for now, I'm not going to bother with that. We're going to go over here, and we're going to set up more space. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to go here. Oh, bauxite ore. I don't want you, but I'll take it. Okay, set up more cabling here. Boom, boom. And now here, I'm going to put this guy. Ooh, he takes a lot of power. Perfect. So now, the beauty about this thing is I can shift right click it, and now it's on output mode. So it's outputting power. And the power it outputs... Can I do the front? Yeah, I can do the front. Perfect. So the front is now the output. I'm going to put all of this on top here to hide it. So if I put a macerator on top of this, it would blow up. It would simply, vanish in a puff of smoke. But what I can do is take advanced universal cables, which are 128 RF per tick, which is more than enough than my macerator can use right now. But I can put it here, and then just put a macerator on top. And that's it. It does not blow up. It is powered up, and it is working. That is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay? So I'm going to take this, remove it, Perfect. Wasn't sure if it was going to work here. You know what? I'm going to do on top. Because I'm going to put you here. I'm going to take my hand to set the top. Perfect. Now it is powered. And we're going to put macerator on top. Beautiful. Now we're going to bring this guy over here. All the way to here. And we're going to tell this guy... Satellite? No, not a satellite. I need crafting. I'm going to tell this guy right here. If I put a diamond into you... Do I have any diamonds on me? I should. Yes, I do. Okay, perfect. If I put a diamond in you... I'm going to get diamond dust, don't I? Don't I get diamond dust? Diamond dust to diamond. Okay. But how do I get the actual diamond dust? I'm a little bit confused here. A diamond in a mechanism crusher. Oh, it's a mechanism crusher. Or a grinder. Okay, so what's a grinder here? Industrial grinder. Oh, we're not getting that done. Okay, so let's go with the crusher then. I probably don't need my macerator. Crusher. I do believe this is a multi-part, right? Machine used to crush ingots into their dust counterparts. Will perform many other operations. So recipe for that is the steel casing, guys. So we are not getting our diamonds into this machine for now. We're going to seal this thing up and keep going with our little macerator here. Perfect. So we need to keep advancing in our industrial craft. If I go here, I can view machine blocks. I need now an industrial centrifuge. Oh, let's go back to progression. So IC2 machine. Dirty copper dust. What did I need to make dirty copper dust? I already forgot. Oh yes, it's a copper clump. And this needed a purification chamber. And if I remember right, the purification chamber needed that steel. Yeah. Needed that steel casing. Wow, that is pretty crazy. So, we're going to go somewhere else for now. I'll be back. Don't worry about me. I will be back. We're going to go somewhere else then. We're going to go back up here. And we're going to see what do I need to make a centrifuge. I probably can't make the industrial one to start. Oh, no, I can. Okay, well that's perfectly easy. Oh, okay, this is the hard one. Okay, extractor. Extractor is also pretty easy to do. So let's get all the stuff that we need here. We need to make pretty much all the basic IC2 machines. And we're not going to set them up right now for auto crafting since we need them to just keep progressing and making more machines. So I'm going to call up a couple of things that I need here. So we're going to need plates. We're going to need some LV wires. I'm calling a stack of each. And we'll need some RE Did I not automate RE batteries? Okay, I'll have to look at what I need to automate RE batteries. I do believe we need iron gears. I'm going to grab a stack of that. And LV wire coil, we have those. Iron gear, iron plates. Machine blocks. So we have 10 here. We're going to call up 64 machine blocks. Perfect. And what else are we going to call here? So I need to figure out what I need to make these RE batteries. Ooh, the assembly table. That's right. That's why I made these before. Okay. So LV wire coil, lead gear, which I do not have any right now. Perfect. Let's go with some lead. I'm going to start with just, 6K ingots. You know what? We're going to go with the big ingots here. Recipe. Yeah, I'll probably need to set up these assembly machines so they do this automatically. Come on, I just need one piece of lead. So these infusers we're not going to need for a long time, it seems. Thank you very much, sir. Up here. I believe we're probably starting, the actual progression that we were supposed to have been doing for a long time instead of goofing around here. Perfect. I really wonder, other people that are playing this pack, where they are at, because I haven't seen a lot of videos. Let's call 64 here. I haven't seen a lot of videos on this pack, sadly. I think that they should be more. In gear bushing. Oh yeah, it's more. That's why I got 64. And I need sulfur. I do believe I have a bunch of that. So we'll call up 64 sulfur here. And we will let these lead gears work and start getting our blocks for our machines. And I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I got all the pieces I need. I have a couple of batteries. These little gears that are made from tin gears. I had to use my smeltery to make, because to make these tin gears here, I can use tin plates surrounded by an iron gear, which is just ridiculous. I'm not going to do that. I could use a metal press, which is a multi-block structure, which is what I'll eventually do, that's for sure, because that just looks way too cool. I gotta do that. Or you can put it in a casting table, and that's exactly what I did. So I made a bunch of tin gears just to not have to do this ludicrous stuff here, or make a multi-block structure for now. Made some batteries. Oh, I got a couple more here. Perfect. So now I can make an LV capacitor, industrial electrolyzer. I have no idea what this does, but we'll see. And industrial centrifuge. So we're going to start with industrial centrifuge. And you know what? We'll make an electrolyzer too, just because it looks cool. I have no idea what it does. It probably does something to water, I believe. Electrolyzer. Probably what I think. I'll have to look it up for sure. And we will have in a few moments our industrial centrifuge. So at least we'll have some progress done. We'll have a couple of machines down. Perfect. And I will grab you. I'm going to go over here. I would like to have my cabling, please. Put this baby down. Put this guy on top. Perfect. Industrial centrifuge. So this guy makes a lot of stuff. One of the things that we saw, you can actually put dirt in the middle, and it's going to make a lot of other stuff that are going to be pretty useful. We will need to start working on some upgrades so that all of this stuff is faster. Because if I get some dirt here, just to show you guys what I mean. A couple more machine blocks. I won't need it for now, I believe. Well, and you know what? I'm going to put them in here. Just in case I need for other machines. Because I'm pretty sure if I check the recipe... Oh, not the recipe. The uses here. Yeah, machine frame, tin gears. I'm so happy I have these. I'll have to look at making all of these machines. Yeah. Yeah, so assembly table. You can see here a compressor. So iron gear, iron plate, electronic circuits. I had those. I literally just put those. So come back here, you. And we'll see making these other machines. What else can I make with this? Usage. Machine frame. Compressor is pretty nice. We'll definitely get to do that. LV capacitor from immersive engineering. That's pretty cool. Doesn't hold a lot of RF though. I think it's like 10,000 RF or 100,000 RF. Very different from my energy cubes that are just amazing. But that I can't make right now. A magnetizer. Interesting. An extractor, which is pretty good for rubber trees, I believe. But for probably other stuff too that just I have no idea. It doesn't come to me right now. A pump. Canning machine. Oh, nice. Electric furnace. So we have pretty much have our furnace system down pat right now. I don't think we're going to need this, but you never know. If we need something really fast, because this thing can go ludicrously fast. We'll see. Industrial. Yeah, we did that one. Generator. Yeah, this generates EU power, which we don't really need right now. Miner. Recycler. This is pretty good. This thing recycles. It creates scrap, I believe, from other stuff. So probably all our cobblestone that we have, there's a chance to create scrap that you can use to create UU matter. And UU matter is really nice. Macerator. The standard electrolyzer. I have this one. Why would I need that one? Anyway. Industrial centrifuge. Perfect. Let's just grab this here. Put this in here. Didn't you say that with this I could... Come on. But I can make a compressor. 16 plates, 16 wire coils, 8 iron gears, 8 electronic 6. Yeah. So I don't want this. I don't want this. No, I don't want this. I have my batteries. Oh, I don't have any plates. I need some plates, please. I think we should just start making any machine that we can from IC2. It's just going to help our progress a lot. Not sure if we'll use all these machines for actual progress or, you know, crafting for automation and stuff, but we'll see. So if I put this in here, and I believe I need to put water here. Shape. Injection, extraction, calculator, precision. There's a lot of uses for dirt. There we go. So if I put hot water, okay, not standard water, it needs to be hot water. Wow, Sam has had a lot of fun. And you can get a bunch of dirty stuff just from dirt. Copper, silver, and osmium. And how do I make hot water? Oh, I just smelt a water bucket, of course. How stupid of me. Okay, well that should be pretty easy to do. Yeah, you know what, guys? We're gonna start doing this next episode. I just want to see what I can make right now. An industrial electrolyzer. Pretty cool. And do I have my plates now? Yes, I do. Oh, wow. Okay, that's a lot of machines. That is a lot more machines than I thought I was going to get. So let's go with the compressor. Oh, we just lost a bunch of machines. Yeah, we probably need some wire coils, some electronic circuits. So I'm going to call up, let's say, 64 of these. I'm going to call up 64 wire coils. And you know what, guys? We're going to finish the episode for now. In between episodes, I'm going to get to making all of the IC2 machines I can with this thing. You know, everything that showed up before, I'll put them here. I will line them up one next to each other all the way here. And next episode, we'll figure out how to automate some of this process so that we can get all the stuff that we need to move just a little bit further. Well, industrial centrifuge, we do have one, don't we? Yes, we do. So, would you like to detect? Yes, thank you. So, detection task. Perfect. So, the next would probably be machine frame. And then we can make assembling machine. I do know this is a pretty big one. It takes a lot of stuff to do this, guys. And these dynamos, there's a bunch of dynamos that would be pretty cool. But we want to go down. We don't want to go up. I want to get to here. I want this key over here. But for that, I need that dirty copper dust. So we're going to need to work on that a little bit. And then these guys seem pretty nuts. I've never played with magnetic craft. That is definitely something I'll be doing in between episodes. Just reading up, figuring out exactly how does this stuff work, because it looks pretty complicated, but it also looks pretty cool because it is automation, and this is what this pack is all about. So thank you for joining up with me, guys. This has been episode 26. If you like this video, please press that like button, subscribe for more content, and put those comments down below what you like to see when where you're at right now in the pack. I'm very curious to see where other people are at. Are you farther along than me? Are you behind? And did you go a completely different direction than me? Because, like I said, there's not a lot of videos on this pack, and there's so many ways to do the same stuff, the same progress. I'm really curious to see what you guys have been doing. See you next time.